recipe is using the Karamu berries. So I've used 3 cups of the red Karamu berries, and you can use a cup of water, but what I've done is I've adapted it and made some liquid with kumaraho and kawakawa, and I've used a cup of that liquid instead of the water. And I've also used half a cup of honey, which was given to me by Jodie. Thank you, Jodie, for the honey. And that's Wright's honey. Okay, so now I've brought it to a boil for about 10 minutes, and I've added, so now I've put it through the whiz, and now I'm just straining it, and the liquid is coming through. See if you can have a look at that. You see the liquid? Oh my God, look at the liquid. It's like gold. And I've tasted it, like I'll just taste it a little bit more. Oops. So I've tasted it because it's really quite yum. I've made this for a syrup, so you can have it for kids. It's like a cough syrup. It'll be good for the throat, the chest, the respiratory system. But the flavour is so different with the kumaraho, it just adds another dimension to it, and with the sweetness of the karamu. I'm going to add it to, I think, something like salmon, like just use it as a syrup to add with salmon. It's quite a different taste. So yeah, it's so good, it's so good. It's really good, just really different. That bitterness of the kumaraho just brings out the sweetness. So there's a lot of flavours going on. So that's why I think it'll be quite good with salmons, which we'll try that tonight. But you can also use it as a cough syrup. That's it.